Unlocking the secrets to financial freedom begins with mastering the 8 principles of building wealth. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the 8 principles of building wealth. Building wealth is a process that requires discipline, consistency, and patience. It is not an overnight process, but with the right mindset, habits, and tools, anyone can become financially independent. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 8 principles of building wealth. Number 1. Live below your means. The first principle of building wealth is to live below your means. This means spending less than what you earn. Living below your means is crucial to building wealth because it allows you to have money left over to save and invest. It also helps you avoid debt, which is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. To live below your means, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. Prioritize your needs over your wants and avoid unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to cut costs, such as negotiating bills, buying used items, or cooking at home instead of eating out. It may take some time to adjust to a lower standard of living, but the long-term benefits of building wealth are worth it. Living below your means is not just about cutting back on expenses. It's also about creating a mindset of financial responsibility. By being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices about how to use your money, you can build a solid financial foundation that will serve you well in the years to come. Number 2, pay yourself first. The second principle of building wealth is to pay yourself first. This means saving a portion of your income before you start paying bills or spending money. Paying yourself first is a powerful habit that can help you build wealth over time. To pay yourself first, set up an automatic savings plan that directs a portion of your income into a savings or investment account. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. But even if you can only save a small amount, it's better than nothing. By paying yourself first, you prioritize your financial future and ensure that you are building wealth consistently. The benefits of paying yourself first go beyond just building wealth. It can also help you develop a sense of financial discipline and responsibility. By making savings a priority, you are more likely to make conscious choices about your spending habits and avoid unnecessary expenses. Number 3, invest wisely. The third principle of building wealth is to invest wisely. Investing is a crucial part of building wealth because it allows your money to grow over time. However, investing can be risky if you don't do it wisely. To invest wisely, it's important to do your research and educate yourself about different types of investments. Consider factors such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon when choosing investments. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk across different types of assets and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. It's also important to be patient and avoid making emotional decisions about your investments. The stock market can be volatile, and it's normal to see fluctuations in your investment returns. Resist the urge to sell during market downturns, as this can lock in losses and prevent you from benefiting from eventual market recoveries. Number 4, focus on long-term goals. The fourth principle of building wealth is to focus on long-term goals. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires patience and persistence to achieve your goals. To focus on long-term goals, it's important to define your financial objectives and develop a plan to achieve them. Consider factors such as your retirement needs, debt reduction goals, and major life events, such as buying a home or paying for your children's education. Once you have defined your goals, break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Create a timeline and track your progress regularly to stay motivated and on track. Avoid getting discouraged by short-term setbacks, and celebrate your successes along the way. In addition to setting long-term goals, it's important to prioritize saving and investing for the future. By making these a priority, you can ensure that you are working towards your long-term goals and creating a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Number 5, avoid debt. The fifth principle of building wealth is to avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, as it can create a cycle of interest payments and prevent you from saving and investing for the future. To avoid debt, it's important to live below your means and prioritize your needs over your wants. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt, such as high-interest credit card debt or loans for non-essential purchases. Instead, focus on saving for major purchases and paying cash whenever possible. If you already have debt, prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. Start with high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, and work your way down. Consider consolidating debt or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates or payment plans. Avoiding debt is not just about avoiding financial stress. It's also about creating a mindset of financial responsibility. By being mindful of your spending habits and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can build a solid financial foundation that will serve you well in the years to come. Number 6, develop multiple streams of income. The sixth principle of building wealth is to develop multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income, such as a full-time job, can be risky as it leaves you vulnerable to job loss, pay cuts, or other unexpected events. To develop multiple streams of income, consider starting a side business or investing in income-producing assets, such as rental property, stocks, or bonds. Look for opportunities to monetize your skills and expertise, such as freelancing or consulting. Developing multiple streams of income can not only provide financial security, but can also help you achieve your long-term financial goals faster. By diversifying your income sources, you can generate additional cash flow to pay off debt, save for emergencies, or invest for the future. However, it's important to balance the benefits of multiple streams of income with the need for work-life balance. Avoid taking on too many commitments or sacrificing your mental and physical health in pursuit of additional income. Number 7, surround yourself with positive influences. The seventh principle of building wealth is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your financial success and mindset. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals and share your values. Seek out mentors who achieved financial success and can provide guidance and support along the way. Avoid negative influences who may discourage or distract you from your goals. In addition to personal relationships, seek out positive financial resources, such as books, podcasts, or online communities. These can provide inspiration, education, and accountability on your financial journey. Number 8, continuously educate yourself. The eighth and final principle of building wealth is to continuously educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about personal finance can help you make better financial decisions. The world of finance is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends, strategies, and technologies. Make education and self-improvement a priority by reading books, attending seminars or webinars, and participating in online communities. Consider seeking out a financial advisor or mentor who can provide personalized guidance and support. By continuously educating yourself, you can improve your financial knowledge and skills, identifying new opportunities for growth and investment, and stay motivated and inspired on your financial journey. So, there you have it, the 8 principles of building wealth. It's important to keep in mind that building wealth is not a one-size-fits-all process. Everyone's financial situation is unique, so it's important to tailor these principles to fit your individual needs and goals. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if progress seems to slow at first. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve financial independence and create a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.